Welcome to the channel. Today I want to share with you, much to my own delight, I found a 2021 Yamaha Ténéré for sale. You may not know, but the Yamaha 700 Tenere is named after the 150,000 square mile Tenere region of the Sahara Desert, an inhospitable sea of sand that reaches temperatures over 120 degrees during the summer months. The Tenere 700 engine is a fuel-injected, liquid-cooled, parallel twin with a displacement of 689 cc's. It is a double overhead cam motor with 4 valves per cylinder. It generates 72 horsepower with 50 foot-pounds of torque and a 6-speed transmission. Final drive is a sealed O-ring chain. The bike's suspension in front is fully adjustable with 8.3 inches of travel, while the rear has 7.9 inches of travel and is adjustable manually for preload and rebound. Brakes up front are twin-piston Brembo calipers on dual discs with selectable ABS, either on or off, all mounted on a 21-inch spoked wheel with an air tube inside. The rear brake is a single-piston Brembo caliper on a single disc mounted on an 18-inch tube-type wheel. The motorcycle weighs in at 452 pounds with a gas tank of 4.2 gallons, which is supposed to provide 50 miles per gallon. Headlights and taillights are LED. Every review you will read in Motorcycle Press or here on YouTube are all basically the same, listing the good and listing the bad. Don't pay any attention. This is a great motorcycle and it is built by Yamaha for many years of reliable enjoyment. So if your requirements are simplicity, power, reliability, and low maintenance, this is the bike for you. There is lots to love and little to dislike. Keep in mind the videos you see on YouTube of riders on fast trails doing jumps over creeks and dunes and slinging dirt with the rear tire. Although that looks exciting, riding like that is mostly in the dreams of riders like you and me. On the trails, I stay safe. Do not take risk to injuring myself or my bike because I do not want to ever find myself laying face down, breathing dirt or choking on mud with a broken spine, not being able to move and nobody ever finding me. This is a stripped down adventure bike made for the off-road lover and all of us that will be easy to ride and control because it is not as large or powerful as some other bikes made by BMW or KTM, which also means it is affordable.